Guys, why is it every time I record we have to eat? They're eating breakfast. They're so loud. Hey everybody, this is Kayla from Cooptastic Adventures, and today I will be going to Morningside Nature Preserve in Atlanta, Georgia. I've never been there before, but it looks like it's just like a, smaller, well, I don't want to say smaller. I think it's like 30 acres. So not too small, but not like humongous. And hopefully I get to go to North Georgia, but today I have a vet appointment, so I'm trying to squeeze in a hike real quick. But I am about to get started right now. I'm pre-recording in my apartment, as you can see, because I am taking my puppy today. So just send good vibes because I don't know how this is gonna go. He's currently being trained on his harness, and he's good at walking alongside my other dog, but alas, I've never done hiking. So here we go. reminds me of where I grew up. Come on, baby. Come on. I got you. We're learning a lot about Samson today. So, as some of you know, I picked him up from the pound a couple months ago, and pretty sure he was abandoned when he was a puppy, and he has some like intense PTSD about the car. Come on, baby. That's a dead mouse. No, thank you. Oh, dear Lord. And now I'm learning that he's afraid of strangers and being out here. So yeah, we're gonna keep practicing this skill because I hike all the time and I would love for him to be my hiking buddy. Come on, baby. You're doing so good. Alright everybody, that was it here for this trail here today in Atlanta, Georgia. Again, it's right in like a neighborhoody area. You can see like the outline or skyline of Atlanta kind of off in the distance, but he did really well. Today he met a lot of people, he met a lot of dogs, so my arm is a little tired because he was very excited, but we're working on that. But other than that, I hope everybody's staying safe and doing well out there, and I will see you on the next hike. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe and follow me on all my social medias. And hopefully the next hike will be up north in North Georgia, because I do want to get a shot of the leaves because they are changing. But anyways, have an awesome day. Bye! You are a menace. I know you're hound and everything, but we don't have to sniff everything in the world. Let's go.